Hello, and welcome to the Daily English Boost. Get ready to learn and grow with fun, easy, and quick lessons.
You know, Kate, I had a very interesting morning.
Oh no, when you say it like that, Martin, it's never good. Did you try to make coffee again without the machine being on?
No, my coffee was fine. Better than fine, actually. But I went to the pharmacy.
Okay, that's normal. We all go to the pharmacy.
It should be normal, but for me, every time my brain, it stops. My English, it disappears. I stand there, looking at all the boxes, and the pharmacist smiles at me, and I say, I have the thing, the head pain, not the stomach, the top. I says this slowly with comedic hesitation.
The head pain, the top. Martin, you sound like a robot from a bad movie.
I know, I feel like one. My head was hurting and all I could think was medicine, small, white, please help. It was a disaster. And I thought, we need to talk about this. This is a real problem.
It really is. Because when you don't feel good, your English feels 10 times worse. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. You're listening to us, Martin and Kate.
Hello, everyone. I'm Martin.
And I'm Kate. We're so happy you're here with us today.
And today, we're talking about English at the pharmacy, getting medicine, that scary moment when you need help and words are difficult.
But we will make it not scary, we promise. If you're new here, we help you learn real, everyday English. No boring textbooks, just conversation, like friends. So if that sounds good to you,
You should hit that subscribe button and the little bell, too. It really helps our small channel, and it means you won't miss our next chat.
So, Martin, your head, pain, the top. Let's start there. What do you actually say?
Okay, so you walk in, you see the pharmacist behind the counter. What's the first thing? Do you just say, I need medicine?
You can. That's totally okay. Excuse me, I need some medicine for a headache. Simple, clear. They understand.
For a headache, right, not head pain the top.
No, not that. Headache is one word. You can also say, I have a headache, or I'm looking for something for a headache.
Okay, good. But Kate, what if it's not a headache? What if it's different? My friend last week, he had a problem, a big problem.
Oh dear, what kind of problem?
He ate some very, very old cheese from the back of his fridge. It was blue, but not the good blue cheese.
Oh no, I can imagine. So, stomach problem.
Big stomach problem. So what does he say? I need medicine for cheese sickness?
No, cheese sickness is very funny, but no. You say an upset stomach or a stomach ache. I have an upset stomach. Or I have indigestion. That's a good word. Indigestion. It means your stomach feels bad after food.
Indigestion. Indigestion. Got it. So, excuse me, I have indigestion. I ate some questionable cheese.
Perfect. They will understand, and they might even laugh. Now, what are the common things? Let's think. Headache, upset stomach, what else?
A sore throat. In winter, I always get a sore throat. My voice gets like this. Hello, Kate.
Stop it. You sound like a frog. Yes, a sore throat. I have a sore throat, or my throat is really sore.
And a cough. That's a big one.
Exactly. I have a bad cough, or I have a dry cough. That means no mucus. Or a chesty cough. That means with mucus. Sorry, that's a bit gross.
It's real life. It's not gross. So you tell the pharmacist your problem, and then they ask questions. This is the part that makes me nervous.
It does, but their questions are simple. They want to help. They might say, how long have you had it? Or is it severe? Severe means very bad.
How do I answer that? How long? Well, for my headache this morning, since I woke up, or for about 3 hours.
Yes, simple time. Since yesterday, for 2 days. And for is it severe, you can say it's quite bad. Or it's not too bad, but it's annoying. Or yes, it's really painful.
And then they give you options. This is another scary moment. They show you 2 boxes. They talk fast about active ingredients, and I just smile and nod.
Don't just smile and nod, Martin. You can ask simple questions. You can point and say, which one do you recommend? That's a great question. Which one do you recommend?
Which one do you recommend? Okay, and if they explain and I don't understand,
Slow them down. It's okay. Say, sorry, could you say that again more slowly? Or could you explain that in simple terms, please? Pharmacists are nice. They will help.
simple terms. I like that. Now, what about allergies? This is important. My sister is allergic to penicillin.
That's very important to say. I'm allergic to penicillin, or I have an allergy to penicillin. You must say that. Or if you have other allergies, I'm allergic to aspirin. Very, very important.
So, excuse me, I have a headache, but I am allergic to aspirin. What do you recommend?
Perfect. Now let's talk about the words on the box, because sometimes you just want to go and look by yourself. You don't want to talk.
Yes, I do that. I stand there for 20 minutes, reading every box. My headache gets worse.
So what do you see? Pain reliever, that's for pain. Headache, backache, toothache. Fever reducer, for when you have a temperature. Cough suppressant, that stops your cough. Decongestant, for a blocked nose.
Slow down. Cough suppressant.
Suppressant, it suppresses the cough, stops it. And decongestant, decongestant, for congestion, a blocked nose.
Okay, so if I have a headache and a blocked nose, I look for pain reliever and decongestant.
Exactly. You're learning. And sometimes it says non-drowsy. That is a very good word.
Non-drowsy. Drowsy means sleepy.
Yes, non-drowsy means it won't make you sleepy. So if you need to work or drive, you want non-drowsy. The other kind can make you very tired.
Ah, so that one time I took medicine and slept through my afternoon meeting.
You took the wrong kind.
Mystery solved. Now, what about other things? Not medicine, like lip balm, bandages.
Oh, sure. That's all in a pharmacy, too. So for dry lips, you ask for lip balm or chapstick. For a small cut, you need plasters. That's the British word, or Band-Aids, more American. Adhesive bandages is the technical word.
Plasters. I always forget that word. And for sunburn, when you go on holiday and forget the sun cream?
Ugh, you and your holiday stories. For sunburn, you ask for After Sun or aloe vera gel. It cools the skin.
And insect bites. Mosquitoes love me.
They do. You can ask for insect bite cream or antihistamine cream. It stops the itching.
Itching, yes. Okay, this is good. But let me tell you a story, Kate. My most embarrassing pharmacy story.
Oh, I have to hear this.
It was a few years ago. My English was very basic. I had a rash on my back. So I went to the pharmacy. I wanted a cream, but I didn't know the word rash.
Oh, no. What did you say?
I said, "Excuse me, I have red spots on my skin, on my back." That was okay. The pharmacist said, "A rash?" And I said, "Yes, a rash." I was happy. I knew the word. Then she asked, "Is it itchy?" I didn't know itchy. I panicked.
What did you do?
I acted it out. In the middle of the pharmacy, I started to scratch my arm like this, and I made a face like it felt really bad.
No, you didn't.
I did. I was desperate. The pharmacist looked at me, and her eyes were very big. Then she started to laugh, but a nice laugh, and she said, "Itchy, it's itchy." And I said, "Yes, itchy, very itchy."
Oh, Martin, that is the best story. And you know what? It worked. You communicated. That's the important thing. Don't be afraid to use your hands, your face. It's okay.
It was so embarrassing then, but now it's a funny story, and I never forgot the word itchy.
See? A memorable lesson. So, itchy for a rash or a bite, painful if it hurts, burning or stinging, like for sunburn. These are feeling words. They help a lot.
Good, good. Now, prescriptions, that's another level, when the doctor gives you a paper.
Yes, that's a prescription. You take it to the pharmacy and say, "Hi, I'd like to drop off this prescription," or "I'm here to collect a prescription." They might ask for your name and your date of birth. What's your date of birth? So you say, for example, the 3rd of May, 1985.
And they tell you to wait. It will be about 15 minutes. You hear that a lot.
You do. And when it's ready, they explain how to take it. Take 2 tablets once a day. Take 1 capsule 3 times a day with food. Listen carefully. You can ask with food or without food, in the morning or at night. Again, just ask.
Capsules and tablets are pills, right?
Yes, a tablet is usually flat. A capsule is like a small cylinder. And there's also liquid medicine. For that, they might give you a syringe or a measuring cup, so you take the right amount.
So many words, but step by step, it's okay. Now, I want to ask you, Kate, do you have a pharmacy story? A funny one?
Not so funny, but a stressful one. It was when I first moved here. My son was a baby. He had a fever. I was so worried. I ran to the pharmacy. I said, "My baby, hot, temperature." I was almost crying.
Oh, Kate, that's so stressful.
It was, but the pharmacist was so kind. She was a mother too, I think. She said, "Okay, slow down. How old is he?" She spoke slowly and clearly. She gave me infant fever medicine, and she showed me on the bottle, "See, for 6 months and older, give this amount." She was so patient. It's one of my best memories of kindness here.
That's a beautiful story. It's not always about the words, is it? Sometimes it's about the feeling.
Exactly. They see you are trying. They see you need help. Most people want to help, so don't be scared. Use simple words. "My baby has a fever. He is 6 months old. What can I give him?"
Right. So we talked about asking for medicine, words on the box, prescriptions, stories. I think we covered a lot.
We did, but you know what we didn't talk about? The most important thing to say.
What's that?
Thank you. She says it warmly. Always, always say thank you. A smile and a thank you.
You are so right. Thank you so much for your help. The most important English phrase of all.
Absolutely. Now, we want to hear from you. This is the part we love, talking to you in the comments.
Yes. So here is our question for you today. It's simple. What is your number one tip for going to the pharmacy in another country? Or do you have a funny or embarrassing pharmacy story?
Please tell us. Write it in the comments below. We read every single comment. We love to see your stories and your tips. It helps everyone.
And if you see a comment from someone who is scared, give them some encouragement. Be kind. We're a community here, learning together.
So to finish, Martin, how do you feel now about going to the pharmacy?
You know, Kate, I feel better. I have my sentences ready. I have a headache. I'm allergic to aspirin. Which one do you recommend? And if all else fails, he starts to mime scratching his arm.
No, don't do the itchy dance. Just say the word.
Okay. I will say the word. Seriously, I feel more confident. It's just a conversation, a simple, friendly conversation.
That's all it is. Every situation in life is just a conversation waiting to happen. Don't be afraid to start it.
Beautifully said. So from both of us, thank you for listening. We hope this was helpful for you.
If it was, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps other learners find us. And share it with a friend who might be scared of the pharmacy too.
And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, real English conversations. We'll be here next week talking about another everyday topic.
Until then, be kind to yourself. Keep practicing. You're doing great.
Bye for now.
Goodbye.